And India's Aditi Ashok is one step away to script history at Tokyo Olympics. She has had a golden chance of winning India's maiden Olympic medal in golf. Aditi Ashok is now on the second rank with a total of 201 points in women's individual stroke play. Our next report tells you more.
India's Aditi Ashok has a golden chance of winning India's maiden Olympic medal in golf. Aditi is currently second in the standings behind world number 1 Nelly Korda, and if things go her way, she will surely find a place on the podium. She has proved her naysayers wrong with superb consistency till now. The young golfer from Bengaluru rocketed to top 3 on day 1 and has done enough to stay there. The fact that her mother is a caddy at the Tokyo Olympics has caught everyone's eye as well. Aditi comes from a family of golf enthusiasts, and while it's her mother who has accompanied her in Tokyo, her father was the caddy for her at the Rio Games. She had made history at the Rio Olympics by becoming the only Indian female golfer in the fray. Golf has only returned to the Games 5 years ago, and Aditi had finished 41st back then. And now she's number 2. And with the tropical storm approaching Japan, the golf competition might be shortened. The organizers, in fact, brought the tee times forward for the final round. They also have the option of playing on Sunday morning if the weather gets better. But even if weather permits play or not, all of India will be hoping and praying that Aditi makes it to the podium. Sports Bureau, India Today.
Boria Majumdar is now joining us, reporting live from Tokyo. Boria, walk our viewers through which hole is Aditi playing at this point of time. And I was just taking a look at a card from the first 9 holes. I believe she must have gone on the back 9 at the moment. She's had quite a lot of birdies in her kitty at the moment and playing fairly well.
She's doing reasonably okay at the moment, Chaiti. Unfortunately, but one did not go sort of well in her favor. Half an hour more maximum, so there's no tropical storm. First, let's tell you that. There's no tropical storm. There's no rain so far. I'm in the golf course. Just came in to do your live.
Yeah.
In the golf course, cheering for Aditi, supporting her. 5 more holes to play. And pretty close, very close. Emily Pedersen, Lydia Ko, Aditi Ashok. Nelly Korda has taken a bit of a lead now in the leaderboard. So Aditi has to do extraordinarily well in the last half an hour. I mean, it's what? Half an hour more to decide an Olympic medal. It's 11:35 my time. By 12 o'clock, you should know where Aditi Ashok is. Fingers crossed for her. Emily Pedersen just had a pretty poor, 14th hole. If that's the case, who knows? And in fact, as I speak to you, Aditi's taken her shot. So let's see what it is like. Give me a second. It's not that bad so far from what I'm able to see from here, from the outside, but fingers crossed. Lydia Ko is now taking her shot. Chaiti, very close race for the second and third spot.
Which hole is she on at the moment as we're giving our viewers live updates?
14th hole.
All right, so she's got 4 more holes to go then.
Yes, correct. So Lydia's now, she's taking her shot. She's taking her Lydia Ko, Aditi Ashok, and as I said, Emily Pedersen, all of them together, bunched up together. Nelly Korda has broken out and taken a bit of a lead. Lydia's shot just now. I'll give you the update for that as well. And very close to Aditi's. So pretty close going on at the moment, Chaiti. Fingers crossed. Keep praying for India. The next half an hour might well get you an Olympic medal.
Probably we're on a cusp of a medal already. Fingers crossed, and the entire nation, Boria, is praying for Aditi Ashok. I mean, she's been one of the star performers for India. I mean, she played Rio as well, and now she's playing Tokyo, where just all hopes are at the moment riding on Aditi. Must be a lot of pressure for the young Aditi Ashok at the moment. And if she wins, it's going to be the first one ever for an Indian golfer.
Absolutely correct. In Rio, I followed her, and interestingly, like you said, her father was the caddy in Rio. Here, her mother is the caddy. So that's another plus for her. And then she was the first ever female golfer from India to make it there. won the Indian Open thereafter. We unfortunately in our country don't give so much importance to majors. We give much more importance to Olympic medals. Far more difficult to win majors in golf, as you know.
Yeah.
But if this one happens, then in India, the sport will take off. All of a sudden, people have started taking an active interest in golf. I mean, Japanese television channels came and interviewed me just about 10 minutes back, saying, can you tell us about Aditi Ashok? What is it like? Is she a star? She's doing so well, etc., etc. So all of a sudden, there's a renewed interest in golf in India. And of course, in Aditi Ashok, so fingers crossed for her.
Very well said. Being a golfer myself, I hear you. That renewed interest in golf needs to be sparked off. And Aditi Ashok right here, showing us the way for India. We're just hoping, praying, the entire nation rallying behind her, wishing her all the very best. Boria, continue to stay with us because you're getting us all those live updates right there from the golf course as well.